Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's video, we are going to be doing a special request here for Cult DAO. So right now we are trading at 0.0000124, 24-hour volume. We're up 0.89%. Market cap, we are down 7.76%. So heading over to the chart here, this platform itself I'm using is KuCoin. We can see that as the price was pretty new, it did spark up a lot of interest in the audience. And then now is the downfall. So we're going to evaluate not a whole lot of data as this is new. We have our Bollinger Bands just, resonating on the chart here. So what I want to show you on a daily chart, we're going to go into a 4-hour chart, and then 3-hour chart is basically a continuation of a hidden divergence. So if we look at our RSI here, we can see the opposite of the actual price point right now. So at this peak here, RSI K line was at 83. The RSI here for the K line was 94. And again, complete opposite as the RSI ascended and the price descended in these two pillars. So this is a continuation hidden bearish divergence. So what we can see already in this day for this bearish divergence is price is essentially hitting support right now, and we can see multiple areas already that we are creating a lot of high-low peaks, essentially potentially going into a descending triangle, which again is a continuation of the pattern until the price is an accumulation phase, until it price comes back down, accumulates, then we can be able to do this uptrend that we see here. In a 4-hour time frame, we're going to take a look at, we got a little bit more data because it's the 4 hours. Our RSI is already signaling a possible change in direction of the price. Now, because the price right now is considered to be oversold, it is also found near the bottom of the Bollinger Band and an area of support. It may be enough to have the price come back up to another area of resistance. So long as we see these histograms and these bars minimize at this point. If we see these bars going strong, and this is the current start of this bearish trend, then we may actually fall through this support number and continue this downtrend overall for Cult. Again, you can see these high peaks, high candlestick wicks are trying to break through this resistance at 14579, but simply cannot break it. So weakness in the buyers are trying to push the price as much as they can. Instead, we see the opposite of sellers pushing the price. So as soon as it gets around this area, it's a high confluence area that price is going to easily retrace down to. So again, when we take a look at the chart, there's really not a whole lot of data that we can get for the volume indicator to indicate where the price is going to go. As the impulse improved or increased on July 14th, all we see on July 13th is this small little chunk on the side here. If we break through support, price is going to come back down again here for an area of support as well. The ultimate volume that we have is roughly in the billions. The last candlestick here was 18 billion. Currently, right now, we're at 5 billion here for trades. As again, the price is retracing downwards, we're hoping that this is the only stop we're going to have for the bear market. So we can be able to bounce off nicely from the support as retested in these multiple candlesticks that we saw at the very bottom. Going into 3-hour time frame, let's take a look, you guys. So there is currently more retracement levels for our RSI to continue to drop. Again, closer to the bottom of our support line, we've got 1, 2, 3 candles of the red indicator, and these lines for signal line and our MACD line, they don't look like they're going to be touching. So let's just hope again this does minimize in the trend and momentum for our MACD, so we can nicely come back up. So if we take a look at the next retracement level, we're going to take a look at the 23%. So hopefully we can come back up to the 23%. We can see this this candlestick already trying to get up here. The golden number we're looking for is 38 and 61. However, if we don't see that crossover of the green line, we may not see 38% and bounce back and consolidate between 23% and then coming back down to zero. But essentially right now, whenever it comes to new coins, the pump itself was pretty exciting to see. If you guys are trading in this coin, accumulation, distribution phases coming up, high swing candles here, and then coming back down here. Again, distribution until we accumulate again in the market phase. So this may not be the bottom for Cult. It may break through the support, come back down in the descending triangle, and the continuation of the bearish divergence that we saw on a daily marker. Until a lot of people buy into this coin. And again, we're in the accumulation phase, hoping to get back into the distribution in an uptrend. So that's kind of my outlook here for Call. Thank you so much for your request. I hope I did the video to your liking, but I will see you guys next time.